How to fix network adapter not showing on Windows 10 or 11 or in Device Manager. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve if the network adapter is not showing in Device Manager. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if the network adapter is not showing in Device Manager, first of all, you can open up Device Manager and try to check under network adapters if the adapter that you're searching for is showing up. But if it's not showing up, what you can do is first from the View tab over here, simply go to the option called Show Hidden Devices and then click on it. So when you click on Show Hidden Devices, any devices that were hidden over here will also start to show up. If it still doesn't show up, you can click on Action and click on Scan for hardware changes. Then after you've done that, that network adapter should definitely show up. Then after that, you can simply try to go ahead and then restart your device to hopefully solve the issue. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.